Before you start exercising, please refer to our video on the resistance training principles and safety guidelines first. Contact MyHeart Fitness clinics if you have any questions or concerns. The bird dog exercise is effective for core stability. Start with your hands and knees on a floor mat. You can modify this movement by keeping the arms stationary, only lifting the legs, or not lifting as high. Exhale or blow out on exertion when you lift your opposite arm and leg. Start with your hands and knees on a floor mat. Keep your back flat and your upper body steady. Contract your abdominal muscles by bringing your belly button towards your spine. Slowly raise one arm and the opposite leg from the floor. For example, lift your right arm and your left leg. Hold this position. Alternate to the left arm and right leg. This is 1 repetition. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Using the arms is optional.